And I never thought I'd be drinking coffee in this chair in a mug with a giraffe on it. Well, actually, that's not so special. But the reason why I'm doing this is because we just reached 500,000 subscribers! Woohoo! What's up, guys? My name is Jordy for Cinecom.net, and welcome to Thank You So Much Thursday. Not that we're doing this every week, but thank you guys so much for the 500,000 clicks we got on that subscribe button. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Now we're going to celebrate this in style, guys, and that goes together with some prizes. Why don't you follow me? And because you guys mean so much to me, we have collaborated with the best channel sponsors here to give away these amazing prizes. Let's start off with the one you're probably looking at already, which is the LG UltraWide, the main prize from LG, which we're giving away. This right here is a top-class IPS curved display from LG, which is a true experience for any video or photo editor. And then over there, we've got 3-year subscriptions to Storyblocks, which is a huge library where you can download unlimited video effects, templates, stock footage, and so much more. And next, we're continuing with Rocket Stock, who is giving away a coupon of a whopping $500. And on their website, you can download the highest quality video packs for your next film project. Next up, we got Film Convert, who is giving away 2 licenses for the best plugin to convert your digital video into film. And we're ending with 5 Aputure M9s, which are amazing LED lights to put on top of your camera. Now let's win some awesome prizes, guys. The only thing that you have to do is click the first link in the description below. That'll bring you to the contest page on which you can sign up and be eligible to win one of these amazing prizes right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the support. 500,000 times. Thank you so much for everything, guys. I love you. But most importantly, stay creative.